Extinction Therapy. Extinction therapy is a type of behavioral therapy that attempts to eliminate unwanted behaviors by withholding reinforcements. Extinction therapy is a form of operant conditioning first created by B.F. Skinner, known as the father of operant conditioning. Operant conditioning is a learning behavior that is influenced by consequences. Operant conditioning works with positive and negative reinforcements. Extinction therapy often works best with children or in the classroom setting. When starting extinction therapy, the client must first identify the behavior they are trying to get rid of and the consequences associated with said behavior. A contingency analysis is often done, which studies the events and the conditions of the behavior and its consequences. Next, a method of withholding reinforcements is created. This method must eliminate the unwanted behavior or it will not work. Finally, an alternative behavior to be reinforced must be chosen. During extinction therapy, one must be prepared for outbursts during the training, which must be ignored. The therapist can monitor client success throughout the training. This video uses the extinction technique with a problematic child, in which the therapist teaches the client to ignore certain behaviors and acknowledge others.
Hi, Leonora.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I was reading your files and I was seeing that you're having problems with your 7-year-old son.
Yes, I am. He's been acting up ever since he started school this semester, and I don't know what to do anymore.
Did you already talk to the teacher to see if he has problems with maybe other boys or students?
I did, yeah. She says that he's fine in school, that he doesn't have any real problems. He's learning fine. I don't know, it's when he's at home. And I'm really busy. I have a full-time job, and it's just me. I don't have anyone else to take care of him, and he just acts up whenever he gets home.
So what do you do when he starts misbehaving?
I typically put him in timeout, or I ground him, or I take away his toys. And it works for a little while, but then he just gets really angry, and he starts crying, and he starts screaming, and he starts throwing tantrums. And then it starts bothering me because I feel bad, and I feel like a horrible mother, and it doesn't work. Like, whatever I try isn't working.
So you put attention to his behavior when he starts doing that?
Yes, I get scared. I don't know what's wrong, and I don't want him to cry. I don't want him to yell.
Okay, what I'm going to suggest you to do is to use a technique named extinction technique.
Okay.
We're going to try to get rid of that behavior.
Okay.
When you put him in timeout, leave him by himself. When he starts acting up, go check on him in a way that he doesn't see you.
So,
just to make sure that he's okay, he's safe, he's not hurting himself.
So I could leave him in his room, and then if he does start crying, I could just peek and then leave him alone. Don't pay attention to him.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right now, what you're doing is reinforcing his negative behavior.
Okay.
When you pay attention to his screaming, yelling, and you go and pay attention to him, that motivates him to do it more.
Okay.
So what you need to do is change that. Instead of paying attention to that behavior, you just leave him alone. Just go and check without him seeing you.
Mm-hmm.
Check that he's okay, he's not hurting himself or doing something wrong. And then pay attention to him when he's doing good.
I guess that makes sense because since I am busy, I don't play with him that much. And then when I see that he's okay, I tend to just leave him because I know he's okay. And then when he's doing bad, I try to make him stop. So that's when I do pay attention to him.
And that's normal. Parents will do that, but instead of investing time in his bad behavior, paying attention to that behavior, you can invest time on his positive behavior, reinforcing that
Positive
behavior.
reinforcement?
Exactly.
Okay. I think that'll go well. It'll be hard, but it'll go well.
Yeah, just every change, it's different, it's difficult, but you'll get used to it, and we'll see in 2 weeks how things are going.
Okay, I'll let you know how it goes.
Well, nice seeing you.
Nice seeing you too. Thank you.
Thank you.